Hello dear buyers and friends, Michel Serrois here with a brand new and never seen money making method. How would you like to bank $100 or more each day and get qualified buyer leads who have active credit cards and PayPal accounts? And how would you like to never pay for that sweet free buyer traffic source? Would you like that? Of course you would. Then keep listening because I'm about to reveal my newest buyer money making secret for the first time ever. And believe me when I say this, you will never find this method anywhere else that can get you $100 or more per day without the need of experience or tech skills. But before going further and telling you how I do it, let me ask you this. Aren't you tired of giving your money to traffic sellers, shady promoters, and social media platforms? After all, it's only these people who profit 100% of the time, not you. Although you may be able to turn some of the traffic or training you have just purchased into profit, there are no guarantees. But being able to position yourself where you do not need to depend on traffic sellers is priceless. Would you agree? If you think about it, traffic is something that will always be the lifeblood of your business because it's the only thing every marketer needs to profit online aside from a converting offer. But most importantly, I will be showing you real soon that you will never have to buy traffic again and make $100 or more per day passively, on demand. You might be curious to see how I'll be showing this to you, perhaps even a bit excited to discover what I have to share with you today. But let's keep it real for a minute and look at the most common problem you faced so far. You bought training, you bought traffic, and ended up not covering your investment. Then you realized that traffic costs were eating away your profits. But it doesn't have to be this way. And the good news is, unlike all other training, you can now generate free buyer leads and monetize them yourself without the help of third-party social media traffic sellers, or even worse, shady solo ad sellers that keep rehashing their traffic and selling it to you like they just found the latest golden nugget. No more of that. Instead, it's time you tap in a real buyer lead source that will allow you to make $100 per day, simply, passively, effortlessly, presenting Easy Passive Profits. With our Easy Passive Profits system, you do not need to do any SEO. You do not need to recruit people. You do not need to spend countless hours in front of your computer. You do not need a web page editor. You do not need to write sales copy or create content from scratch. Heck, you don't even need to make videos if you don't want to. Instead, you can work at your own pace, make $100 or more per day, and get credit card confirmed free buyer leads that paid a minimum of $35 for info products or services. If you think about it, the true value in this method is that you could be making a steady $100 or more per day by taking action right now. Plus, to provide even more value, we decided to give you our newest traffic software that will help you triple your profits by just using it. And all you need to do to grab our training and the traffic software is go below this video right away to get instant access to our Easy Passive Profits course right now. But you have to hurry to lock in your discount because the price is going up soon and only a few people can get the free software as a bonus. And it can be you if you act now. Seriously, have you ever come across a training that teaches you a method where you can really make $100 or more per day passively and get free buyer leads at the same time? And remember this, if for some weird reason you don't make money, I don't deserve yours. My promise to you, if for some weird reason you tried it and have not made at least $100 in the first 24 to 48 hours, we will gladly refund you every penny. No questions asked. We are this confident that it works because we do it on the daily ourselves. Getting you to make $100 per day passively is the whole purpose of this training. While you tap in a buyer lead source everyone seems to forget, where they all have valid credit cards and PayPal accounts. I created this training to actually help you get free buyer leads for life, so you can finally start living the internet lifestyle you want. And I know it works because to this day, this is my #1 buyer lead generating method. And I'll keep doing it as long as I'm a marketer, that's for sure. It's that powerful. So are you ready to finally get free buyer leads and your free traffic software that will triple your leads and profits? You can remove all the risk right now by never paying again to get leads that buy. But wait, let me make it even better. I'll even throw in a done-for-you website that you can load at one push of a button that you can rebrand at will. Like that, you won't ever need to make a website from scratch to promote whatever you want. And all you need to do to get the training, the free software, and the free website is click the button below this video right now to get instant access to the Easy Passive Profit system. So let's recap in detail everything you get today to be sure you get the whole value today. You get the Easy Passive Profit step-by-step video training, total real-world value $397. You get the Easy Passive automated software, total real-world value of $797. You also get the Easy Passive Profit $0 to $356 real-life case study, total real-world value of $247. You also get two bonuses. So bonus one is the checklist. Now the checklist is very useful so that you don't skip any steps. Total real-world value $97. Bonus 2 is access to our mastermind group so that you could get unlimited support and even exchange tricks with other fellow marketers just like you. Total real-world value $297. So as you can see by now, you'd pay at least $1,932 if you paid what all of this is really worth. But today, you won't even pay 1/100th of that if you act right now. You can get Easy Passive Profits and all the bonuses under $10 today if you act right now. But remember that you need to hurry because this is a special launch price. When the countdown timer reaches 0, the price will go up. And all you need to do to get the training, the free software, and the free website for less than a movie ticket is click the button below this video right now to get instant